Hey guys, welcome back with another video. So today I actually going to be doing a quick unboxing of a new pair of earphones I got. We got the Skullcandy Dime. So I picked this up at Target. It was about 25 bucks. Super affordable compared to some other Skullcandies. I've tried. I've had the Sesh. Those run for about 45. The Sesh Evo. Those go for about 60 bucks. Those right now are on sale at most retailers for about $30. So I definitely recommend go check that out. This video is not sponsored by Skullcandy whatsoever. This is just, me using my hard-earned money and, seeing a product I find interesting, and I want to go ahead and have you guys experience this with me. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. So got a knife. Let's see here. Where we want to open this at. Alright, put that to the side. So in the box we get the earphones themselves. Let's see what we got in here. Ear tips, charger. Oh my god, look at that paper. This camera raveling out. So we have instructions, user guide, Dime series. Alright, don't think we need this right now. Let's go ahead and we'll just put that to the side. And then as you see here, we have some ear tips. These look like we have large and small. And I'm going to assume that these here have the mediums on them. Let's go ahead and set that to the side. And then we have the charger. What kind of charger is? Oh, that doesn't look great. Micro USB. I was hoping for micro USB-C, but for the price, they're gonna probably have to make some little cuts here and there to get the price down. But go put that over here to the side. And the moment we've all been waiting for, we got this. Wow, look at this. It's beautiful, actually. This looks really nice. Oh, is this some kind of plastic on here? Yes, there is. I actually don't know if I want to remove that right away. Let's see here. So we'll go ahead and get a little close up here. As you can see the back of it here. Oh, what the heck? Let's take that off. Satisfying. All right, so we got the case. Looks like it has a little thing right here, so you can connect it to your keys. That's always a plus. You don't have to go buy that, so I love it. And back here we got the micro USB, and on this side, so this right here is actually, is this the earbuds? Let's pop that open. Okay, so that's actually the earbuds. Add a little coolness to it with their Skullcandy logos here. Look at those. These are tiny. Let's see here. Wow. These things are tiny. Let's do a quick comparison. Let's see. I have previous pair that I bought, Skullcandy Sesh Evo. I'll put those right next to each other, and about the same height, but oops, the Sesh Evo are gonna be much thicker. And these are the dimes are more AirPod-like. So you know, if you like that stem, or if you like the more in-ear, you know, your preference. Let's go ahead and compare it to another pair of earphones. I got an AirPod. Let's see those side by side. Alright, as you can see, the AirPod is much bigger, so these are tiny compared to, look at that. Almost half the size of an AirPod. So, you know, these little stems on here are pretty subtle, so, you know, I don't think that's gonna be much of an issue. But wow, that's pretty cool. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna see if these bad boys got any juice on them. Go ahead and take these out. Careful with the case, this thing is just like to snap close. Let's see, take this off here. Close up, you guys can see. I read up a little bit on this. I'm not sure if you guys are aware. You know, there's like the Skullcandy Evo, the Skullcandy Indie, and there's the Skullcandy ANC. Those all have touch. You know, this looks like this is touch, but this is actually, see, it's a physical button. Oh, it's a little hard to see there. I'm pushing it. So we'll see how that plays out when we actually wear it. See how good it works. Pair a new device. Let's see if these guys got any juice on them. I heard something. Oh, there we go. It's flashing. Ready to pair. Where are we gonna find these here? Dime Black. I don't know about you guys. I love thrash metal. I'm thinking Dimebag Darrell here. Dime Black. That's cool. They got clever with these names. Let's go hit that. Pair these up. Wow, that was fast. Look how quick that was. And they have about 60% battery. Alright guys. Let me see this one here. One left, one right. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and try these on. And let's see what it does. Both connected. Let's see here. Let me get a quick picture so you guys can see what they look like in the ear. Alright guys, so as you can see here, not my best picture, but it is what it is. Alright, see? Go ahead, don't stick out too much, they're pretty short. I don't even go past the earlobe, you know, even with the shortest little earlobes. So, let's go ahead and test the sound. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to test the sound. I'm on my Spotify. Let's go ahead and shuffle this. Okay. Let's see here. let's go here. Alright guys, little Kanye, little Jamie Foxx. Let's see here. Alright. Oh, these sound pretty good. They got some nice bass. The bass is definitely, you can definitely hear it. Singing treble, pretty clear. Mids are okay, but you know, you're definitely hearing it. Let's see here. Let's go full blast. Oh yeah, that sounds pretty good. Sorry guys, I might have been talking a little loud, but these have pretty good noise isolation. So, you know, what can I say? You know, it's a little quick unboxing, you know, just these are not bad, you know, these are pretty good. I still have a lot more testing to do with these. You know, I'm definitely gonna be doing another video, you know, just wearing these pretty much for a week straight, see how, you know, how they do, how do they hold up, you know. We're gonna see how the battery life is, and you know, once I get those results, I'll go ahead and make a, you know, an update to this video. So tell me what you guys think. Is there anything you guys want me to test out? Anything you guys want me to go over on the next video? Leave a comment down in the comment section. If you like this video, hit the like button. You want to see more, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time.